Hi, my merry little stars. Today I'm drawing Bluey wearing her cozy Christmas outfit with shiny red boots. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a joyful Christmas story filled with laughter and love. Before the story begins, press the like button kindly, so Bluey's Christmas tree can glow even brighter. The snowflakes fall gently, covering the ground in white. Bluey runs outside, her paws leaving tiny prints. "Bingo, come look!" she shouts with excitement. Give the video a like if you love snowy Christmas mornings too. Bingo hops beside her, her hat slipping down her ears. "It's so fluffy!" she laughs, catching snow with her paws. The two sisters build a funny snow dog with a carrot nose. Tap like if you think their snow dog looks super silly. Mom waves from the porch, holding warm cocoa in her hands. "Time to take a break, little snow pups," she calls gently. Bluey and Bingo run inside, giggling and freezing. Press like if you'd love to sip hot cocoa with Bluey too. The fireplace crackles softly, filling the room with warmth. Dad hangs stockings on the wall, humming a Christmas tune. "Look, Bluey! Yours has sparkles," says Bingo with a grin. Give the video a like for Dad's jolly Christmas decorating style. Bluey stares at the glowing tree, her eyes shining bright. "Do you think Santa will come tonight?" she whispers. "Of course," says Bingo, bouncing happily. Tap like if you're excited for Santa to visit your house too. As night falls, the family gathers near the tree. Mom lights a small candle, and the room feels magical. "Let's sing one Christmas song together," says Dad softly. If you love singing too, press like and join Bluey's family choir. Their voices rise like gentle snowflakes, filling the house with cheer. Sock sparks along, wearing a tiny red bow. Everyone laughs, feeling the warmth of Christmas joy. Give the video a happy like if you're smiling right now. After the song, Bluey helps Bingo set out cookies and milk. "Santa will love these," says Bluey proudly. Bingo adds a note that says, "Thank you, Santa." Tap like if you'd write a sweet note for Santa too. The stars shine outside, the night feels peaceful. Bluey yawns and cuddles her blanket tight. "I can't wait for morning," she whispers to Bingo. Press like if you're excited to see what Santa brings too. Morning comes, and the sunlight sparkles on the gifts. Bluey wakes up first, her tail wagging wildly. "Bingo, Santa came!" she shouts joyfully. Give the video a like if you love Christmas surprises. They open their presents together, laughing with delight. Bluey finds a shiny red ribbon and a small toy drum. Bingo dances around singing, "Merry Christmas!" loud and proud. Tap like to send Bluey and Bingo the biggest Christmas cheer. The day ends with hugs, cocoa, and cozy smiles. Bluey looks at the glowing lights, whispering softly, "I love my family." Good night, my merry little dreamers. Don't forget to like and dream of Bluey's warm Christmas night.